Hello dear students. Today class, next question is 2I cap minus j cap plus k cap, comma I cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap and 3I cap plus aj cap plus 5k cap are coplanar. Is this is the question. We have to find the R coplanar. Then the question is the value of A is. This is the question. So children, we have to find the value of A. Here three vectors are given. This is the one vector, second vector, third vector. So these three vectors are coplanar. In the previous classes, in the earlier classes, we discussed that one. If three vectors are coplanar, are collinear, are equal, are parallel, whatever it is there, then their scalar triple product is compulsory equal to 0. Scalar triple product is nothing but box of. Suppose here one more time I am writing the formula. If A vector, B vector, C vector are coplanar, then if these three vectors are coplanar, then the formula is box of A vector, B vector, C vector is compulsory equal to 0. This is the formula. Either coplanar or collinear or parallel or equal, whatever it is there. If it is there, compulsory their box equal to 0. That means box is nothing but we have to find like this. So first vector is like A vector, write its components 2, minus 1, 1. Next second one is the 1, 2, minus 3. And third one is the 3, 8, 5 is equal to 0. We have to write its components. We know it how to find the coplanar and collinear. It is a determinant method. So here first we have to write their components. Here I component is the 2, here minus 1, here plus 1, here 1, 2, minus 3. Next one is the 3, 8, 5. This must be equal to 0. Now, determinants method. How to do this one? 2. So 2 is in the first column. So we would consider this one column, the remaining is 2. So 2 5s are 10, minus in the formula 1 minus, here 1 more minus. Minus of minus plus 1. And the middle term, whatever is that, change the symbol. So it is the negative minus 1. So we have to write plus 1. So it is in the first one, second column. So don't consider this one. So we have to take here 1 minus 3, 3, 5. We did the cross multiplication, 5 ones are 5. This is the minus symbol in the formula, but here 1 more minus. Minus into minus plus, 3 3s are 9. Next one is plus 1 into. So this one is the plus 1 into. 1 into 8, 3 2s are 6 is equal to 0. So if we can simplify 10 into 20, 28, 2 3s are 6, 2 10s are 20, 2 3s are 6. Here 9 plus 5 is nothing but 14. Next one is here A minus 6 is equal to 0. So children, if we simplify, here 14 minus 6 plus 20. 20 minus 6 means 14, 14 plus 14 is the 28. So this is the value 28. Because 20 minus 6 means 14, 14 plus 14, 28. Here 6a plus a is nothing but 7a is equal to 0. So we have to find the value of a. A value we have to find. So send this plus 20 at that side, then 7a equal to minus 28. 7 how many times cancel? 4 times cancel. What is the a value? A equal to minus 4. So the value of a is minus 4. So once again repeating, he given in the question these three are coplanar. If three vectors are coplanar, we have a formula. If three vectors are coplanar, then compulsory their box is equal to 0. What's the meaning of box? Box is nothing but it is called a scalar triple product. So scalar triple product compulsory 0. How to find the box? We have to write the ijk components of each vector and we have to do the determinants method. So due to that method, finally we got it the a value. What is a value? A value is minus 4. This is the question. Next one followed by another question. Now the next question is, if the vectors, next question, if the vectors ai cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap and minus I cap plus 5j cap plus ak cap are perpendicular to each other, then a equal to, this is the question, children. So here we given two vectors. So this is the one vector, this is the one vector, this is the second vector. So students, these two vectors are perpendicular. So we have a formula. We know that if two vectors are perpendicular, definitely their dot product equal to 0. We have a formula. What is that one? If a vector is perpendicular to b vector, if these two vectors are perpendicular, definitely these two vectors dot product is must be equal to 0. This is the formula. If two vectors are perpendicular, then their dot product equal to 0. So first vector is the a cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. This is the first vector. Dot. Second vector is minus I cap plus 5j cap plus ak cap is equal to 0. How to do the dot product? We have to multiply the components of I with I. Here a is there, here nothing is there, means minus 1 is there. Minus 1 into a minus a plus here 2 is there, here 5, 2 5s are 10 and here plus here 3 and a. So we can multiply 3 into a, 3a. This must be equal to 0. Then 3a minus a is nothing but 2a. 2a plus 10 equal to 0. We want the a value. So send this plus 10 inside minus 10. So 2 many times cancel, 5 times cancel. Then what is the a value? The a value is minus 5. This is the answer. Student, one more time I am repeating. If two vectors are perpendicular, compulsory their dot product equal to 0. So first vector dot second vector, we know dot product means product of their like components are a into minus 1 minus a, 2 5s are 10, 3 into a, 3a minus a, 2a. I need the a value, so send plus 10 inside minus 10, 2 many times cancel, 5 times cancel. So this is the answer. Now we go to the next question. So the next question is, the area of parallelogram. The area of parallelogram. The area of a parallelogram whose adjacent sides are I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap and 2I cap plus j cap minus 4k cap is. So children, this is the question. So what is the question? It is asking the area of parallelogram whose adjacent sides are. Means here two sides are given, two sides of a parallelogram. We have to find the area. So again we have a formula. What is that formula? Area of parallelogram. So what is the area of a parallelogram formula? Mod of vector A cross vector B. This is the area of a parallelogram formula. Area of a parallelogram formula mod of vector A cross vector B. So children, this is nothing but A. This is nothing but B. So we have to find first of all their cross product. So how to find the cross product of vector A cross vector B? We can find its cross product first I cap, j cap, k cap. Here first of all A vector means we have to write their components. Here 1 is there, minus 2, 3 and here B vector is nothing but 2, 1, minus. So if you have to find the component same, what is the method? The determinants method, which is in the first row and first column. Avoid this first row and first column. Minus K cap is here. 1 ones are 1. Here 1 minus negative is in the formula. Here 1 more is there. It is nothing but plus 1. So 8 minus 3 is nothing but 5. 5 I cap. So minus 4 minus 6 minus 10. Minus into minus plus. So 10 J cap. Here 4 plus 1 is nothing but 5. 5 K cap. So students, A vector plus B vector is 5 I cap plus 10 J cap plus 5. Now we have to find area means must and should we have to find its modulus. So mod A vector plus B vector is equal. How to find the modulus? It is nothing but the sum of square of its components. So that means here 5 square and J component is the 10 and K component is the 5 square. So 5 5s are 25 and 10s are 100. 5 5s are 25. It is nothing but square root of 150. Root of 150, if it is possible, we can simplify. This root of 150, we can write like this: 5 3s are 15, 13 times. 5 6 are 30. Again, 2 table 2 3s are 6. That means we can write this one value as 25 into 6. 2 3s are 6. So children, root 25 means 5. So 5 root 6. What is the area of a parallelogram? The area of a parallelogram is 5 root 6. One more time, the given is asking area of a parallelogram. Adjacent sides are given. Assume that this is A, this is the B. So area of a parallelogram formula mod of vector A cross vector B. So first vector A cross vector B we have to find. We know it how to find the cross product. Next we have to put its modulus. Modulus is nothing but square root of sum of square of its components. I square plus n square plus I square. 25 plus 100 plus 25. It is nothing but 5 root 6 is the answer. So students, now the next question. The next question is vector A dot vector A cross B vector. This is the question. So what is the question? Vector A dot vector A cross B. Student, it is nothing but what is this one? This is the scalar triple product. Because one dot cross scalar triple product, how to write that? We can write like a box of this one, this one, this one. So box of A vector, box of A vector. So here A dot A cross B means box of vector A, vector A, vector. We know it, the property of this one. If in a box, if two identical terms are there, if two same terms are there, then its vector scalar triple product is compulsory equal to 0. Then what is the answer, children? The answer is 0 because A dot A cross B. This is a scalar triple product. Scalar triple product you can express in this form: box of vector A, vector A, vector B. But if two identical terms are there, then the answer is equal to 0. That means the scalar triple product of if the scalar triple product in two identical terms are there, then its value equal to 0. Then what is the answer? Answer 0. Next question. This is answer 0. Now we will go to the next question. The question is the points. Next question. The points with the position vectors plus 3j cap, comma 40 I cap, this is another vector, minus 8j cap, and last one is the a I cap minus 52j cap are collinear. Are collinear. Then value of a is, this is the question. So here he given three compulsory equal to 0. Yes, sir. But here the problem is these are not vectors. These are the position vectors. These are the position vectors, not the vectors. So position vectors means we can't applicable this formula. Then how to do this one? If we given the position vectors means we will write like this. Suppose OA vector equal to, because of the position vector means compulsory we have to mention O means origin. OA vector equal to what is that one? 60 I cap plus 3j cap. Next one is the OB vector. OB vector equal to 40 I cap minus aj cap. Next one is the OC vector. OC vector means a I cap minus 52j cap. So here generally if there is no position, suppose if only vectors are there, then we can put that vector scalar product equal to 0 that form. But here position vectors compulsory we have to write OA, OB, OC. So from this we have to find first of all AB vector. So AB vector, why I am writing O because all these are the position vectors. That's why I written OA, OB, OC. From this I am going to find out the AB vector. AB vector means alternate AB vector, OB vector minus OA vector. OB vector minus OA vector. So OB means here, OA means here. We can do the subtraction. 40 minus 60 is nothing but minus 20i. Minus 8 minus 3 is nothing but minus 11j. This is the AB vector. 40 minus 60 minus 20 minus 8 minus 3 minus 11j. Next you find out AC vector. Because of the position vectors, so AB is over AC. AC means how to do the AC vector? OC vector minus OA vector. So OC means here, OA means here. We have to subtract. How to subtract? Here A is there. A minus 60 into I. Next one minus 52 minus 3. Minus 52 minus 3 is nothing but minus 55 j cap. Minus 52 minus 3 minus 55 j cap. So if these two are collinear, and the question is said are collinear. If two vectors are collinear, then compulsory they are in proportion. So collinear means they are in proportion is nothing but this I component by this I component. Means A minus 60 by this I component is the minus 20 equal to here j component. What is the j component? Minus 55 by here j component is minus 5. So minus minus cancel, 11 5 times cancel. Children, one more time. Here he given position vectors. Position means OA, OB, OC is given. So from this we have to find AB and AC. AB vector means OB vector minus OA vector. AC vector means OC vector minus OA vector. Now these two are collinear. If these two are collinear means compulsory it is in proportion. Proportion means here I component by I component equal to j component by j component. So if you did the cross multiplication, A minus 60 equal to minus 20 into 5. 20 into 5 is nothing but minus 100. So send this minus 60 that side. A equal to minus 100 plus 60. So what is the A value? The value of A equal to minus 40. So the value of A is minus 40. Because minus 60 is saying plus minus 100 plus 60 is nothing but minus 40. So this is the value of A. So position vectors A, B, A, C they are in proportion. Next we go to the next question. Now the next question is same model question. If the points with position vector with the point, if the points with position vectors with the position vectors 10 I cap plus 3 j cap, another one is the 21 I cap minus 5 j cap are given position vectors. So there are three vectors are given. I am going to take as a OA vector first one. OA vector equal to 10 I cap plus 3 j cap, and second one is the OB vector equal to 12 I cap minus 5 j cap. Next one is the OC vector. OC vector equal to 11 I cap plus lambda I cap plus 11 j. So from this I am going to find out the first of all AB vector. AB vector means OP vector minus OA. So OP vector means here OA vector. So 12 minus 10 means 2 I cap minus 5 minus 3 is nothing but minus 8j. Next we have to find AC vector. AC vector means OC vector minus OA vector. So OC minus OA means here lambda here 10 is there. So we can write lambda minus 10 into I cap. Here 11 is there, 3 is there, 11 minus 3, 11 minus 3 means 8j. So lambda minus 10, 11 minus 3, 8. Now inside that one these are collinear. Collinear means compulsory these are in proportion. If these are in proportion, proportion means we know it. I component by I component, j component by j component. Here I component is 11 minus 10 by 2 is equal to here j component 8 by minus 8. 8, 1 10 cancel, do the cross multiplication. 11 minus 10 equal to 2 ones are minus 2. Send this minus 10 that side, lambda equal to minus 2 plus 7. Because of that 8, 1 10 cancel, here cross multiplication. So then what is the lambda value? The lambda value of 8, lambda value of is 8. So the answer is 8. Children, same just now we did an OA vector, OB vector, OC vector. From this we have to find AB vector and AC vector. They are collinear means compulsory, they are in proportion. Proportion means this I component by A component, J component by J component. 8, 1 time minus 1, do cross multiplication, 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Minus 10 if you send that side plus 10. 10 minus 2 is nothing but 8. So the lambda value is 8. Now we'll go to the next one. The next question is the vector 2I cap plus j cap plus k cap is perpendicular to I cap minus 4j cap plus lambda k cap. Then lambda is, this is the question. Student, just now we did this model also. If two vectors are perpendicular, definitely the dot product equal to 0. Assume that this is a one vector, assume that this is the A vector, this is the B vector. If two vectors are perpendicular, definitely the dot product equal to 0. Because of that, A vector is perpendicular to B vector if and only if this A vector dot B vector compulsory equal to 0. The dot product. That means I component into I component. Here 2, here 1. 2 ones are 2. Here plus into minus minus. Here nothing means 1 is there. 1 fours are 4. Here plus here 1 into lambda is equal to 0. 4 minus 2 minus 4 means minus 2 plus lambda equal to 0. Set this minus 2 that side. So lambda equal to 2. What is the lambda value? The value of lambda is 2. Now today's class last question. Today's class the last question. Now today's class last question is let the vectors u cap, u vector, v vector and w vector be coplanar. Then is asking the question u vector dot v vector cross w vector is. This is the question. So students, He is asking this question, let the vectors, he given three vectors u, v, w. These three are coplanar. Then, just now we discussed at the beginning of the class also. If three vectors are coplanar, compulsory their scalar triple product equal to 0. Scalar triple product means, see, this is the scalar triple product. One dot is there, one cross is there. Dot is there, cross is there. Definitely, this value we can write as a box of u vector, v vector, w vector. So, if they are coplanar, collinear, so this coplanar, collinear, equal, parallel, whatever is there, their scalar triple product is compulsory equal to 0. So, what is the answer, student? 0. So, one more question we will discuss now. This one is over. Next question is, if A vector and B vector are position vector, vectors of A and B respectively. Then the position vector of C, then the position vector of C in AB produced such that AC vector is equal to 3 into AB vector is. Student, this is the question. So, what is the question? If A vector and B vector are position vectors of A and B, AB points these two are position vectors. Then what is asking? Then the position vector of C in AB produced such that AC vector equal to 3A. So, first of all, I am going to write here. First of all, given what is given? OA vector equal to A vector. Because of that, this is the position vector of A point. Position vector of A point means OA vector equal to A vector and OB vector is equal to B vector. So, A point position vector A, B point position vector is this one. And he given one condition, both AC vector equal to 3 into AB vector. He is asking finding the position vector of C. Means what is the meaning? We have to find OC equal to how much? This is the meaning. Position vector of C means OC vector we have to find. How to find the AC vector means we know it. OC vector minus OA vector equal to 3 into AB vector we can write as a OB vector minus OA. So OC vector I don't know, so I don't like that only OC vector, but OA vector we know it. A vector is equal to 3 into AB, OB vector is B vector, OA vector means A vector. You send this negative because of that I want only OC vector. Send this negative A vector, thus it is converted as positive A. First you multiply with the 3. So 3 into B vector, 3B vector, 3 into A vector, 3A vector. This negative if you send that side it is converted as plus A. So finally, what is the answer? 3B vector minus 3A plus 2A is nothing but minus 2A vector. 3B vector minus 3A plus A is nothing but minus 2A vector. So children, this is the position vector of the C. So here one more time repeating the question. Here what is the question? Here A and B 2 points are given. These 2 points position vectors are given. AB points position vectors are A vector and B vector. Now what is asking? We have to find position vector of C. Means OC we have to find. Here given one condition. What is that condition? AC vector equal to 3 into AB vector. So AC vector means OC minus OA. 3 into AB vector means OB minus OA. OC value we don't know, but OA vector we know, OB vector we know is substituted. Sign this negative minus A considered converted as positive A. 3 into B 3A, 3 into A 3A. Minus 3A plus A is nothing but minus OA. So students, these are the bits for today's class.